In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscription website using WordPress, specifically with WooCommerce Subscriptions Pro. It's a straightforward process that guarantees a fully functional subscription-based site in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to wordpress.com. This is where everything begins. As you might already know, WordPress is a powerful platform that enables millions to build websites with ease, whether for blogging, business, or building a subscription service. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But if you're already part of the community, simply click on Log In to access your personal WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged in, you're going to navigate to the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially your control center. It's where you'll manage everything related to your site, from design changes to plugin management. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. After a few clicks, you'll get familiar with its layout and functions. Now, on the WordPress dashboard, go ahead and click on Plugins. Plugins are tools that augment the functionality of your WordPress site, which makes them integral for creating a subscription site. You'll find this option on the dashboard side menu. Next, you'll see an option to Add Plugin. Click on it. This brings you to WordPress's vast library of plugins that you can integrate into your website. We're specifically interested in WooCommerce Subscriptions, which is a fantastic plugin for setting up subscription-based services. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Subscriptions. This tool is excellent for managing products or services sold via subscription. Keep in mind that it offers a variety of features like flexible billing, subscription management, and more. These functionalities make it a go-to choice for many subscription-based businesses. After searching, you'll see the WooCommerce Subscriptions option pop up. Click on it to learn more about its features and reviews. If everything looks good, your next step is to install the plugin. Simply hit the Install button. Once the installation is complete, you'll find an option to activate it. Click on Activate to make WooCommerce Subscriptions live on your site. This step is crucial because without activation, the plugin won't function. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, you've integrated WooCommerce Subscriptions into your WordPress site, setting the stage for a seamless subscription-based business. Remember, a bit of experimentation and exploration with the plugin settings can help tailor it to your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and happy building on your WordPress journey.